Check this out.
What's that? Oh my gosh! Oh! Help! Oh my gosh!
Let's see that one more time.
What's that? Oh my gosh! Oh! Help! Oh my gosh!
What's up, everybody? It's J Mac, and welcome to Bigfoot Input. We're gonna slow this one down quite a bit, almost to a frame by frame. Let's see if we can't get a better look at this guy. I mean, obviously this kid's walking through the woods. He sounds pretty young, maybe 12, something like that, 13. Screams when he sees the creature, kind of giving him a bluff charge. We've messed with the lighting and the contrast and different things, trying to get a better look at this guy. I mean, I can see some muscle definition there, like shoulder, chest, hand, and he's got the big white teeth. The only thing that throws me is that there doesn't seem to be any eye shine coming off of that guy. There's no tapetum lucidum. I mean, granted, there's not much of a light source here, but there is like some sort of light on the camera, and his eyes are not shining back, so that gives me pause. Could this be a guy in a suit? I would say absolutely yes, it could be. I don't know that it is, though, so that's why I'm bringing you the video at all. If you guys are still watching and you haven't subscribed yet, you know, we would really appreciate it. It literally only takes a second and doesn't cost anything. And then you'll see, you know, on your news feed, you know, when we post new videos, and you can check those out. We'd appreciate it. I got to go with inconclusive on this one, guys. I just don't know. I mean, it looks cool, but I think it's definitely something that you could, like if you were doing a school project, like for art class or, you know, something to that effect, I think that it is fakeable. So I can't go. It's plausible, yes, but I can't go either way. But listen, guys, if you haven't joined us yet, check out our member section, please. Hit us up on that. We would appreciate it. All right. And until then, this is J Mac. I'm out, and keep squatching.